Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, which you can tell from the title, I'm recreating my first ever makeup look in my first ever YouTube video, which from this August would have been 2 years ago. Wild. And I'm still here, bitch. So, I'm literally, because back then I didn't really know how to blend. I didn't really know how to do a cut crease properly. So I'm basically going to do the same look again, but knowing the techniques and the skills that I know now. So hopefully it'll turn out better. We'll see. So what I'm going to do first, because also I have new makeup since then. So literally what I did in the video is I went in with a dark pink around the eye. I still don't know what the right word is to say for that. So basically a cut crease. So I'm going to make a cut crease with a dark pink. So that's what I'm going to go and do first. Actually no, what am I on about? I haven't even done foundation on my face yet. So what I'm going to do first is put my foundation on. Once again, because this look is going to be probably quite a quick look, because I'm not doing eyeliner or anything, because back then I didn't really know. Eyeliner was very annoying for me. Eyeliner was probably the hardest thing I've had to learn through makeup. Concealer Define from Revolution. I'm just going to do it all over my face, because if you guys have watched in a previous video, I usually have the Ordinary to go over the beard area, but I'm just going to put this over my face, because I'm not going out, I'm not doing anything special. It doesn't really show on camera, so yeah, just keeping it 100%. So let's go and do this, darlings. And also, I've got my face is a little bit red because I've kind of just shaved. And yeah, and there's a few little scars here where I cut myself. So yes, not intentionally of course, just the shaver. So hopefully this covers up.
For a deep dive.
Right, so there we go. I've done my forehead off camera because I literally have to be like, you know, I need to see it and I can't really. Actually, could have done it here, but basically I need to put my mirror down so I can use both my hands. So what I'm going to do now, which I was trying to at the start, is go in with this dark pink down here from my 42 colour matte BH Cosmetics palette. Oh yes! And I'm literally just going to make a cut crease with it. That's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to go in with blush and just blend the colour out a little bit around the edges. Ooh, okay. I like that. That done well, didn't it? Right, so I'm going to put a little bit of foundation on this brush and I'm going to go and basically go over the shadow that I've already done. And then the plan is I'm then going to go in with a pink shimmer glittery shade and go over it. So you know, if your subscribers are mine for a while, you know what I'm talking about. Because I sure don't. Right, so I've done that. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go in with the Foil Eyes 28 colour. I should have had it, yes. I'll try not to look up because I don't want to mess it up. I haven't already. Okay, good, check, let's go. Back to it. I'm going to go in with this pink shimmer. Shimmer Madama, yes. And I'm going to put that all over my eyelids. I'm going to soak it. Me. So I'm literally going to go and put it on now.
Get ready for a deep dive.
Right, so basically what I did, I went in with this lighter pink in the matte palette, which is this one. And just use it as like a transition shade in the middle, which I feel like I might have to put a little bit more on actually. And then I went on with the pink shimmer over the inner. I feel like you just kind of create a better transition, but I still feel like I can do some more of the light pink. So bear with. Right, I think that's the best it's going to get. Actually, I'll never say that again. I'm going to make it the best I can ever do, honey. Right, I'm just going to go back in with the really dark pink and make just so it looks a bit more like the cut crease. So I just slide it over the shimmer. Hope if you can zoom in, that'd be useful, Nathan. Thank you. So you can kind of see I just kind of done that bit there. Yeah, baby. There you go. That's better, right? Now I'm just gonna blend it a little bit. You guys a seamless, beautiful finish now. Oh. So what I'm gonna do, because in my original video I had like a little bit of purple in the inner corner. So I'll probably just go in with. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go in with a shimmer purple, basically. Right, so my Foil Eyes palette, I'm gonna go in with this dark glitter purple there. Ooh, obviously back up now. Yeah, thank you. So, and I was gonna basically tap that into the inner corner, and we'll just see what happens with that. It might be, I might have a combination of that one, and oh, if you can see, and that one there with the darker one. So yeah, I'll see how it turns out when I put the purple on. So yes, let's go and do that. Right, so what I'm going to do, I think I will go in with that lighter purple at the top. So I'm just going to go and dab it on the inner corner. Right, you know what? That is exactly what it needed. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, it kind of just really made it. Yeah, because with just the dark glitter purple, it kind of wasn't really. Why is my forehead lines always do this with foundation? Can we like not look 50 in a video, please? Ugh. Hang on, let me sort it. Right, that's better. Oh. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go in with a highlighter. I think I might just go in with that pink shimmer. Right, so I'm going to go in with the pink shimmer that I've done for my eye. And I'm just going to pull it on the cheeks, the nose, and the eyebrow bone. Bone. Yes, that. Let's go and do that. Right, there we go. Because remember, in my first video in 2018, I really wasn't messing around with the highlighter. I went all the way out. So I think I've done it justice. So what I'm going to do, I'm not sure if I did this, because it doesn't look like I've got blush on or contour. I think it's just highlighter, but I think with this look it'd go really cute with a little blush. So I'm going to go in my matte palette with this shade up here, Ding Dong Dong. I'm literally just going to do a little blush with that and see how it looks. Right, I think that blush goes cute. So what I'm going to do, I'll still have the lipstick from 2 years ago. That's literally how my makeup is. I literally have stuff from years ago and I haven't run out. I actually haven't run out of anything yet. I mean, I've run out of foundations and eyeliners because I use them a lot. But yeah, when it comes to like lipsticks and eyeshadows, I've still got everything. This is why I don't waste some money on buying loads of makeup, because I've still got loads. So yeah, I'm just going to go and put this on. Private Members Club, I believe. Private Members Club, yes. Perfect for me. Yeah. Come to my private club, bitch. Right, I literally think Private Members Club's such the perfect name for this lipstick. Dude, it's quite sexy, isn't it? That's why I like it. I'm getting my private club! Ooh, I was getting carried away there. So I'm going to go in with this B Glossy. Oh, so funny super drop. So this is another one I've had for years. I think I might have got it in 2017, but yeah, this gloss is still going. So I'm going to go and put this on my lips. So I realised in the original video I didn't do blush, I didn't do a cut crease like this, or have as pigmented colours as this, and I didn't put a lip gloss on this, but I definitely recreated the look and made it better. What do you guys think? Go and watch my original video. I'll put a link up. I probably would have already done that in this video somewhere. Sure, tell me what you think. Did I do it justice? Did I do it justice? The old me would be gagged. So I look at myself in the viewfinder. So yeah, like and subscribe for more. Hit the bell notification to be notified when I put on your screen with new videos. Oh yes. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.